Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award to legendary musician Lou Majaw during the launch of the unique initiative to promote music in the state, Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project is a unique program of the government that will recognize and promote music talents. Under this initiative, the state government will support gigs and music shows across the state. It will also provide a platform for the musicians to showcase their musical talents. Through the program, the government will also support artists for tours outside the state. Speaking at the launch, the Chief Minister said that this program was launched to encourage and provide a platform to the musician and to link up with tourism.
It's really nice that the people from the tourism department are here to share this meaningful evening with the youngest old dog in town, who is too young to rock and roll and much too young to keep rocking. I was young, much younger than now. I've known love and hate too. When painted dreams they don't come true. I've learned a lot, and yet there is more. With every knocking on my door. Since I was 10, and loneliness is my good friend. I've learned to smile when I feel sad, when I see good times turn bad. I'm on the other side now, across the sea of sorrow. As I can see